Okay, so this is the little mini project, A Night to Remember, How Will You Show Understanding? It says, last time we learned a lot about the Titanic. I'm giving you the choice how to demonstrate understanding. You'll be given 9 choices and you only pick 3. You can do up to 1 extra assignment for extra credit. It's like 20 points, so look at that. Depth of understanding. I want to give you the opportunity to choose how you'll demonstrate your understanding of the excerpt. Out of 9 choices, you only have to complete 3 activities in a row. This is big. It has to be in a row, like tic-tac-toe. Let's take a look. So here is the board. You can do these 3, these 3, these 3, these 3, these 3, these 3. It just has to be in a row. That's all you have to do. Okay? And it says just click on the link to take you to the activity. So let's say I wanted to do read and answer. Just click and there it is. It takes you straight to the assignment. Okay? And then once you're done, it says click here to go back to the list of assignments. Boop, you're back. How great is that? Make sure you do 3 in a row. In fact, on this slide, please write down which 3 activities you finished, so I can kind of go through really quickly to see which ones you did. Again, you can do a 4th one for extra credit, but you minimally have to do the 3 first. You have to do 3 in a row, and then you can do a 4th one for extra credit. Otherwise, you don't get that extra credit. 3 in a row. Remember, all these are clickable links, and each one has a video on how to complete the assignment. All right. Can't wait to see all your finished products.